Hey guys, Squirrel on God here, backing out with another video, and I'm doing a recording of my recording because I'm too lazy to go back in YouTube and look at all the videos, but I want to talk about the strange lights in the sky. It's in 2015 here, recent. As you see the second video down, you see 20 hours ago, I think a couple ones below it, you'll see the videos, and you won't hear any sound. You know what, I'll just show you all the videos. Yeah, I'll take y'all through the walkthrough. Screw it. Alright, so what we have here, I'm not going to watch the first one. I've seen that one already. This one right here is pretty good. So, there are sound. You won't be able to hear it anyway. It's kind of pointless. I've tried turning the sound back on. I recorded the first video, and there was no sound at all except for my voice. And I actually showed FaZe Jev's video because this is kind of where I heard this, and I was like, oh wow, I gotta look this up on YouTube. And then, first thing that comes to mind, Strange Lights in the Sky 2015, and there's that. So it kind of just disappears right there. It turns and disappears, supposedly. So we have that one right there. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna look at this video. This video, it has a lot of words in it. I might just skip around. Okay, yeah, I like that part right there. It kind of just spreads. Everybody's like, oh my god. Everybody's like, what's happening? Um, this one guy said, holy shit. This guy just said, oh my god, is that a UFO? Um, he said, what the hell? Um, there we go. His friend is in the background talking to him. Y'all can go check these videos out on YouTube and yourselves. These are the titles of it right here. The only thing I typed in is, um, I typed in strange lights in sky 2015. And these are the videos that popped up right here. So, you have the videos that you just saw. And you just keep scrolling down. There's different videos of them, but those are the two best videos right there that, are more amazing to me. Um, so yeah, basically about that, I just wanted to kind of explain this. There's two military bases like right next to each other or something similar in that words. They're both in California, and the apparently some people, let's just pretend it was a missile for right now. Let's pretend it was a missile. Um, it's said to go it was going the direction towards the base, the military base of both of them, because they're kind of like on the same line. So neither of the military bases, they both confirmed that they have nothing to do with it, and that someone that said one of the military bases did have something to do with it, they lied. So someone's covering something up, and if the military bases do have something to do with it, it's not missiles. So without further ado, aliens. But before I jump to that big conclusion there, um, asteroids, comets, and meteors. Um, no, because when it disappeared, that'd be when it explodes, and when anything from space explodes in our atmosphere or even touches the ground, it's gonna equal somewhere right about 12 atomic bombs or Hiroshimas, if you're not familiar with that, but without all the radiation. So just the force and the power, it breaks windows, it makes parked cars shatter windows. It makes the car alarms go off. It makes stuff like that happen when it explodes, and it did not do that. So maybe it's like really big and far from us, and maybe it did, but even then, someone had to feel some kind of shockwave if that was the case, but nobody did not. So, without further ado, I love talking about aliens and whatnot, so I'm just gonna go straight to the conclusion that, I mean, look, it's even on the news right here at this video right here in the middle. I mean, it's definitely aliens, and I'm just gonna go to that conclusion right there. You don't have to believe, but the universe is big, guys. I mean, we could be just a single little atom, a little cell compared to the universe. The universe, trillions and trillions and trillions, maybe even above that, which I have no idea what it is. And I just Googled it like 2 days ago. But trillions of, other galaxies are out there. And what's inside galaxies? Solar systems are inside galaxies. And what's inside solar systems? You have stars, you have planets, and there could be more than one star or planet in a solar system, just like ours. It's not just, your everyday Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, and so on in our, just those are just the common planets that are in line with us orbiting what we call the sun. But there's maybe a few more. I mean, there's a lot more. There's a lot more planets, balls of mass. That's yeah, laugh it out. There's balls of mass. That's what a planet is. It's a ball of mass. There's more balls of mass in our solar system. These are just the common ones that are around us that are closer to us. And if you, do the math correctly, trillions and trillions of galaxies out there and still expanding. The galaxy is always expanding and it goes on forever and ever. Nobody knows when it ends, and we'll probably never know when it ends. And that's just the dead truth. So for right now, it doesn't end unless there's like two big giant black holes that are right there next to each other that go to alternate universes or something, and everybody's getting slowly sucked in, and we don't know. You never know. Actually, in science class, we just realized, not realized, but we did some research, and apparently black holes are super slow. Like, they eat atoms, they eat molecules, they don't eat big stuff until they're actually big. And apparently our ocean, 1 foot of water in the ocean, maybe 1 foot. You could look this up on Wikipedia, like black holes or something like that. 1 foot of water could have 1,000 tiny black holes in it. And when they touch each other, they, kind of just blow out. They kind of just cancel each other out. And also, when a black hole decides to eat something, black holes usually burn out before they can get enough to eat. And the little microscopic ones, like the ones in the ocean, are eating small atoms, and I don't even know if they're eating grains of salt. Okay, great. Because they're so small, and they just kind of burn out and cancel off before they can become big and deadly, kind of like some are in the, out there in the universe, in space. And there's big ones out there, and if we get near them, nobody knows what happens, because there's none near us that are that big. And so, I mean, there's infinite possibilities, so just keep an open mind, guys. But other than that, I wonder how long this video is. Oh, it's a pretty good amount. And so, final conclusion, definitely aliens.